the doorway, you have a really fancy bathroom with a bunch of stuff like moisturizer, body wash, and everything. And you go in here. Then you have king-sized beds, beautiful, a big TV. Love that. And there's actually the scavenger hunt if you want to have it. You have this beautiful chair and a beautiful mirror. You have a mini bar up here. We have a beautiful couch. This couch is really comfortable. Another TV in here. A big sofa thing. You have a couple of things in here. You have some coffee stuff. Then you're decked out here with champagne, wine, beer, apple juice, cranberries, orange. Then you come out here with a beautiful view of the ocean. Love it. It's a gorgeous view. It sounds amazing. Looks super soft sand. I love it.